Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to go into a full week into my skincare routine. If you guys seen some of my past couple of videos, I've shown you guys where I do a couple of different things throughout the week. Clay mask my face, spa days, all kind of different things that I do for my face, which are, by the way, working beautifully and I love it. I realize with me, it's not just about having a morning, nighttime skincare routine. If you guys see my videos, you see me show you my morning and nighttime routine. But throughout the week, what I do is I will have certain treatments and cares that I do for my skin throughout the week to help keep it looking as nice as possible, as healthy as possible. So let's get into my skincare routine. I have 5 different routines for my skin for the week, and we're gonna dive into each one and why I do them basically. The first skincare routine we're gonna start out with is my Monday and Thursday routine. So this is a great way for me after I've put so much product on my skin. I figure Monday is a great way to start with a good exfoliating and moisturizing treatment. So on Monday and Thursday, I will scrub my face, I will use a sheet mask, and I will also go ahead and use my LED lamp on my face. Now I'm using the lighter one because that one's a quick one. I do this almost every day for the week, so I don't need to do it as long because my face is getting a dose of LED treatment every day. It does have 3 different lighting on there, so it depends what light I need to use that day. That's what I'll do. I have the red, blue, and the yellow light, so it depends what I need. Yellow, orange is orange. It's not yellow. So I have the red, blue, and the orange light that I use on there. It depends on what my skin is needing. I'll go ahead and use that particular light. The scrubbing is everything I've done to my face. It's a good way to exfoliate my face. I don't exfoliate my face every day now. I used to do that, but I'm getting to a point where I don't need to do it like that anymore. So on Monday and Thursday, that's when I'll exfoliate my face. So just 2 to 3 days out of the week, depending on what I'm doing on spa day. So that is my Monday and Thursday routine. Of course, all of these routine I wanted to mention, guys, they're going with the morning and nighttime skincare that I do on my face. So that's important. Now, the next routine I do is on Tuesday and Friday. Now, Tuesday and Fridays, usually, typically I will have errands that I'm running or things that I need to take care of, or even if I'm sitting in the house, what I will do is go ahead and do my clay mask, and again, I'll LED. This is a perfect day. Try to schedule this when you have a lot to do or you have to go out, or even if it's gym day for you and you want to go and work out. Because the great thing about scheduling the clay mask on those days is you've been sweating, you've been out, pollution, everything. This is a great way to treat your face with your clay mask, as well as go ahead and just give your skin a little treatment, LED treatment, for it to go ahead and heal back. So on Tuesday and Fridays, that's a great little routine that's worked amazing for me so far, and I absolutely love it. On Wednesday is one of my big days. So this is midweek catch up. If you guys haven't seen that video, go watch what I do for it. This is when I shave my face, I plug my eyebrows, I peel my face, I do a chemical peel, which is the ordinary, I call it the blood pill, but it's the AHA pill. So it's not a blood pill. You'll go ahead and see that shave my face, I wash it, and I go ahead and do that chemical peel. Now on that day, I do not scrub my face. And if you have any acne that are open, any scars, any tear in your skin, make sure you do not apply that to it because that is going to burn. I learned the hard way. It is going to burn. So make sure you don't put it on any open wounds or acne, guys. Just go around there. Now, another thing I do on that day is I use a moisturizing mask. This could be a sheet mask, or it could be another mask. I have a couple of moisturizing masks, which I love. I got a couple of packs from the Walmart. If you guys haven't seen me do that 7-day mask, I love those little masks. I have a couple of them. So I'll use one of those or another moisturizing mask, or I will use a sheet mask, depending on what I'm doing for the day or how my skin is feeling. Because I just shave my face, I use a chemical peel on it. It's going to be dry and a little rough, so I go out of my way to make sure I moisturize it, use a deep moisturizing mask. And that's Wednesday. Wednesday is kind of a little heavy day. It's kind of a half of a spa day. The next day would be Saturday. So all of the week, Monday through Friday, is taken care of. So Saturday is when I do my big facial. Now, if you guys remember on Friday, what I did was I use a clay mask and I use the LED mask. On Saturday, I go ahead and do a complete spa facial, guys. Very moisturizing routine for my face because I want to keep the moisture going in it. I want to keep it as healthy as possible. So that's what I'm going to do for Saturday. So complete spa day. So take your time, guys, treat your face and just have a relaxing spa day. Not only my facial I do on Saturday, I also do a wash day. If I have these braids in, they will, I won't be doing a wash braid. I'll be doing refreshing, moisturizing my scalp and adding oil. But when I have them out, I will also wash my face with. I'm going to try to do a video for both with you guys, for both of them, with hair or without hair, how I do my spa day. And I do a whole total body care, it's head to toe body care. So I absolutely love it. If I can do a video for you guys with the whole thing, I'll try to do that. It's a little bit hard for me to do like a complete video now, but I'll do my best to do it for you guys. So the last day is Sunday. So Sunday is another type of treatment day. I treat it almost, it's kind of like half of a Wednesday to me, because on Sunday what I'll do after I do my complete spa day, usually on spa day I'm a little bit more rough on my skin. I use a lot more tools. It's needed, but I want to make sure my skin gets as much as it can out of it. So after Saturday spa day, what I will do is do a moisturizing day on Sunday. What I do on Sunday is I will go ahead, just wash my face, find a good moisturizing treatment. Again, as I told you guys, I have a whole bunch of moisturizing masks that I have. I will put a moisturizing mask on, be it a DIY mask. Sometimes I'm starting to try a couple of DIY masks, see how they go. I'm gonna post them for you guys once I see one is doing well with my skin. And I will use, or I will use one of my store-bought products. They're great. I love them, how much they moisturize my face. And then I will go ahead, after I rinse that out, go ahead and put a sheet mask on. Yes, yes, yes. Before the sheet mask, I want to mention, I don't do this every Sunday, but every other Sunday or so, I will go ahead and after I put on my moisturizing mask, I will LED my face for about 20 minutes, and then I will do a sheet mask on top of that. And then I will go ahead and add a couple of products. I will just tone in my face, do like hyaluronic acid, and just something simple and not too much to go ahead and moisturize my face. The key to Sunday is moisturizing. You want to get as much moisture in there as possible, get your face hydrated, comfortable, and just an extra moisture treatment for Sunday. So that's what I go ahead and do with my Sunday. And guys, that is it. That is pretty much my skincare week, a week in my skincare routine. That's what I do. That's what's been helping my skin so much. I love the result. I didn't used to be a skincare person because I had no idea what I was doing. But if you don't know how to take care of your skin, I highly recommend going over and learning on a lot of Korean skincare routine, K-beauty. It doesn't have to be exactly how they do it. I watch a lot of videos, a lot of YouTubers. There's some great YouTubers. So you don't have to be super knowledgeable, guys. There's plenty of Pinterest help, plenty of YouTube help. Go ahead and create a skincare routine. You'll learn over the years that you do have to take care of your skin. And the more years that go by, the more you do have to pay attention to what you're eating and what you're putting on your skin. So it's important for you to just figure it out what your skin needs. And I'm always going to tell you guys, always remember to tell you guys that one of the best things I learned about cleaning up my acne is learning what type of acne I have and what's causing it. So it's important to know the basic to do that. So that's all my whole video for a week in my skincare routine. And I'm going to do my best to list all the products that I use or the type of products you can use to go ahead and clean your skin, help you create a skincare routine. And you guys are going to see my morning routine and my nighttime routine, my current one, because I'm always changing them depending on the weather or my skin condition. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you know when I have a new video that's coming out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Helps my channel out a lot. And of course, leave all of your comments down below. And always, guys, go over and watch my last video.